In this video, we are going to look at an ITW DynaPack that is showing a hose and head no heat condition. We will determine if the problem is originating in the melter or the hose and head by using the component isolation method. The zones that are not heating are hose and head zone 2. Let's press the hose 2 icon and monitor the heat to verify that it is not heating. By now the heat should have started to rise. Now let's look at gun 2. This zone is also not heating. We have established that hose and gun 2 are not heating. We will determine if the problem is in the melter or the hose and head by isolating hose and head 2. We can accomplish this by swapping the hose 2 connector with a hose connector from a zone that is known to be heating properly. In this case, the hose and gun on zone 1 are heating properly. We will mark hose connector 1 and hose connector 2 to keep track of them. Power should be off for the next step. We will remove hose 1 from zone 1 and hose 2 from zone 2. Now we will connect hose 1 to zone 2 and hose 2 to zone 1. We will switch the melter back on and monitor hose and head zones 1 and 2. The no heat condition was previously on hose and head zone 2. We moved hose 2 to zone 1 and hose 1 to zone 2. If the issue remains on zone 2, then the problem is likely originating from the melter. If the problem travels to zone 1, then we can establish that the melter is okay and the problem is in the hose or head. Let's press hose 1 icon and monitor the temperature. The temperature on hose 1 is rising. Now let's press the gun 1 icon and monitor the temperature. The temperature on gun 1 is also rising. The hose and gun that are now on zone 1 were previously on zone 2 and were not heating. This indicates that the hose and head are okay. We will move on to the hose zone 2 icon. Hose zone 2 is not heating. Let's try gun zone 2. Gun zone 2 is also not heating. This confirms that the hose and gun that were originally on zone 2 are okay and that the problem is with the melter. We will troubleshoot the melter issue on a different video.